Good day mga ka-advance Savias. Welcome sa Pigeon Talk 101 with Boss Jaime Lim. So ngayon, ang ating special guest ay walang iba na galing pa po sa malayong lugar which is sa US. Isa sa mga famous since Pipers pa natin, sa Pipers Brothers po natin. SNH yung sa mga Yahoo groups pa po natin. So ito po, pinapakilala ko po sa inyo, walang iba kundi si Kuya Toto Bunag o Florante Bunag. Sir, Kuya, thank you so much po sa pagpapaunlak sa aming interview po. So, ayan
Walang
po.
problema, okay.
So, Kuya Toto, kamusta na kayo?
Ito, medyo tumatanda na. At saka retired na sa Pigeon Sports, but still helping beginners.
Okay.
And as you could see, yung Facebook ko is still about beginners.
Yes, meron tayong groups, no? Which is yung Bird Rogan groups natin, which is still active pa rin, no? Kahit pa
So
paano.
far, meron pa rin na-add na mga bagong members sa ating 0751 Bunag Lines, which
Yes,
is basically Verbruggen lines of
Yes,
Stan Caligan.
okay.
Verbruggen is basically a Johnson base yan eh.
Okay.
That's 80% Johnson base according to Gomer Verbruggen himself, the Bertuzzo from Belgium. So, but yung mga lines natin, lalo na yung mga na-share ko sa Pilipinas, galing yan kay Stan Caligan.
Okay.
Siya yung aking talagang mentor. And maganda nga ang istorya yan. I guess a lot of our brads sa Pipers, alam na istorya yan. Naakay ko lang yung isang Verbruggen.
Okay.
It's like a super bird. Umuwi ako one time, nagtrabaho pa tayo sa clinic nun eh. I'm in the veterinary practice, assisting my mentor too in the veterinary field, which is Dr. Cabaluna.
Okay.
So, uwi ako mga 5 o'clock. Doon ko tetend yung mga ibon. And papakulang ko sila, parang training flights. When suddenly, may nakita ko isang ibon, talagang grabe ang bilis, iniikutan yung flock ko.
Okay.
Iniikutan talaga. And alam mo naman sa California, especially in the Bay Area or San Francisco Bay Area, the weather is changing fast.
Yes.
Ngayon medyo okay ang may araw pa. And then suddenly biglang mag-change ng magiging windy yan.
Okay.
Magiging windy or sometimes magbibigay ng konting showers.
Okay.
And at that time, nagbigay ng konting showers. And then, I'm still very amazed of this bird. Akala ko nga hindi ibon or kalapate, Because kung ito yung flock ko, grabe talagang iikutan.
Kumbaga may sariling mundo siya.
Wow, it's
Okay.
really, for me, it's like a super bird.
Okay.
And then, sabi ko nga, wow, ano ba to? Kalapati ba talaga to?
Okay.
And then suddenly, nawala na siya sa loob ko. Dahil yung flock ko is starting to come home. Come back to the loft. And suddenly, siyempre, papakain ka na, papatubig ka na, I'm changing the water. And then bumuhos yung
Ulan.
yung showers na mahina, biglang nag-heavy.
Okay.
And then, I was, makakatawa, feed ko nun is mostly safflower.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Safflower, for me, is a complete food,
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon, tinuturo ko sa mga beginners yan.
Yes.
Safflower. Kasi at the time when I get that attention of that Verbruggen super bird, it's, prepare na ako for racing.
Okay.
Racing season na malapit na.
Okay. So, anong club mo sa US?
I belong to the San Francisco Club.
Okay.
And at the time, I got the Verbruggen. I was a very young race secretary
Okay.
of San Francisco Club.
So, kailan ka nag-start as secretary ng San Francisco?
That is after Lou Stevens, who's also my mentor in the pigeon sport. He taught me the way of being a race secretary. He also taught me the way, kasi back then, is computer na eh.
Yes.
Of entering datas and stuff. Floppy disk pa nga nun.
Yes.
Gamit namin, So, I really owe a lot of my knowledge sa computer and pigeon sport kay Lou Stevens.
So, yung nagko-compete ka dun, kuya, mga most likely, ilan yung numbers of birds na nilalaban sa...
I'm a very small loss, you know. I usually fly the 5-bird limit.
Okay, 5 birds.
Oo, parang saling pusa ka lang eh.
How about dun yung mga katunggali mo dun, kuya? Mga ilan yung minimum
Kasi
na
ang
sinasabi?
sa club races, 15-bird ang limit eh.
Okay.
At the time I become a member of San Francisco Club. Pag magre-race ka, ang may entry mo lang is 15 birds.
Maximum.
Young birds and old birds.
Okay.
Okay? And now, iba yung, gusto mo magpasingit ng trainers pag may training or something. Ganyan.
So, okay lang.
So, that's another story.
Okay.
But the limit mo is 15.
Okay.
And a minimum, you could ship one bird. But
Okay.
I prefer, kasi meron tinatawag na 5-bird limit,
Yes.
which is very applicable to my setup.
Okay.
You know, I'm a busy guy. I work in a veterinary clinic. I also have a part-time job in the racehorsing in the Bay Meadows at the time. Bukas pa yung Bay Meadows noon. And during the time, dahil nga natutunan ko yung computer kay Lou Stevens, naano ko sa computer sa
So, ikaw yung nag-encode ng mga entries.
Hindi naman, as a
Sa
race
club.
secretary,
Yes.
yes. Yes. Pero yung part-time job ko, ikaw yung tinatawag pagka may problema sa pera.
Okay. Secretary Treasurer, kumbaga parang
Hindi
ganyan.
naman, kasi yung computer yun ang betting eh.
Okay.
Pag may bet na...
so organizer ka ng...
parang pagka troubleshooter.
Yes, yes.
Something. But sa race secretary, ikaw lahat. And kung gusto mong mag-ship yung isang ibon dahil sa tingin mo masakit, pwede kong sabihin, hindi mo pwedeng ship yan, lalo na kung may bulutong.
Yes, yes.
Which is very different in the Philippines.
Yes.
Kasi sa Philippines, nagulat ako, I could ship kahit may bulutong. Kasi money bird. You know?
Yes,
But in the US, pag may sakit ang ibon mo, lalo na nung hindi naman ako nagbubuhat ng bangko, but when I become the race secretary, I see to it and I work in the veterinary field.
Yes.
So I know kung may sakit ang kalapate.
Yes.
So, i-hold ko talaga yan. You cannot ship your bird pag may sakit.
Okay.
So, yun lang, simple way. Tsaka back then, masaya ang club. Masaya ang club kasi hindi naman halos pustahan yan back then.
Yes.
The winner will bring next week, pag nag-ship kayo, will bring food.
Okay.
And you know, the club is about,
Kamada.
bunch of immigrants.
Yes,
You know,
really.
may Italian, may Filipino, may French, merong Scottish.
Pero most of the member, ilan kayo mga Pilipino doon before that?
Back then, we were, dalawa lang yata kami noon.
Okay.
Ni George So.
Okay.
At that time. Mostly Mexicans. Scottish descent, yung iba. Italian, marami.
Marami Italian.
Oo, mga British.
Okay.
Meron din. No? So, talagang halo-halo kami doon. Na maganda, every time may mananalo, yung putahe ba ng
Iba-iba.
country nila, iba-iba
Yes.
yung dinadala. Pero kung manalo ka, at that time, hindi naman
Di
nagmamalaki.
pagka Pinoy ang nanalo, lechon.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
But yung mga pritong lumpia natin,
Yes, yes,
you know,
yes,
yung pansit, yan,
Okay.
paborito nila yan.